My name is Bimini Oluwabusola and I'm the Managing Director of Meritus Limited. Of recent, I've been talking about cryptocurrency and I've been telling people the importance of investing and trading cryptocurrency. Now we are in a special time where we can make money with Bitcoin. And I've been talking about trading Bitcoin with Naira. And of course, I talk about other currency too. My own concern is to make more money. You have a particular amount of money. I want to increase my money by 5%, by 10%, by 20%, by 50%, 100%. Good. If I can do more than that, why not? I want to get involved in that. And that's why I want to talk to you specifically why you need to trade Bitcoin with Naira so that you can gain extraordinary profits that no bank or any financial instrument will give you. And I can tell you this is guaranteed. I want to show it to you graphically. I want to show you, I want you to see it by yourself so that you will understand that this is not just a tale or somebody coming up with an idea in order to just deceive people or get money. I tell people, I say cryptocurrency market is an open market. Anybody can see it, anybody can discover what we are talking about. And that is exactly what I want to show to you today. Now, if you are going to trade BTC, that means Bitcoin with Naira, you need to understand the way it works. And that is why I'm going to be showing you something. So in this video, I'm also going to educate you, especially if you are new, you don't know much about trading. Now, there is a short presentation that I want to make here, which I'm going to explain to you. So this is going to be a form of tutorial for you if this is the first time you are seeing this. Now, the idea is this. Bitcoin is a very powerful cryptocurrency that is increasing exponentially, so to say. The price keep coming from something like $5,000 to $6,000 to $8,000 to $9,000 to $10,000. That means one Bitcoin goes for maybe 8,000 and then it goes to 9,000, it goes to 10,000. In fact, it has gone to $20,000 before. And that's a lot of money. We are talking of millions of naira here. And as I'm talking to you, see this chart that I am on. One Bitcoin, when you convert it to naira, I'm on a chart that is for Bitcoin and Nigerian naira. You can see here Bitcoin / Nigerian naira. I want to tell you how to trade that and how it's possible for you to make money with it. Now, look at this place and you see this price. This is 4,115,178 naira. That is how much one Bitcoin is going for now. Okay, so I want you to follow me closely. And I want to tell you that if you have started trading with Bitcoin for some past days, you will have made a lot of money. And I'm also going to show you how much you will have made. Okay, now why do you want to trade Bitcoin with Naira? Let me tell you, you see, the present time that we are is very serious. We are in a very serious time and we are having financial crisis. Everybody is making noise. Banks are making noise. Businesses are crashing. Things are happening. You as an individual, you can be smart such that you don't want to leave your money in bank and make it to depreciate, because the money is depreciating every day. Presently, as we are talking, I can't even pinpoint how much is Naira now, personally, because the other day I was making transaction through the bank, and what I discovered was that they were charging about 430, maybe 435 naira through a particular bank. Okay, another day we were making the transaction and they were charging 400 something naira of another time 400 naira to $1, and so another time 450. So there has been this what will I call it? Naira has not been consistent, and so it's really very scary. And if care is not taken, you might just wake up one day and discover that the Naira you have is it doesn't worth anything. It's almost becoming useless, so to say. Now, but you can always increase the value of your Naira through Bitcoin. That is the whole essence of this video, and I want to demonstrate it to you. I want to also tell you how you can do it, how we've been doing it. So I want you to follow me closely now as I'm going to be showing this to you. So before I go ahead, because if you are coming for the first time, you might not understand this. And that's why I'm showing you that this is a chart showing you Bitcoin stroke Nigeria Naira. So this place that we have is a chart, and that chart is telling us that, okay, presently Bitcoin is now going for a particular amount of money in Naira. Okay, I hope you are getting it. So this is the way I want you to think. Think Bitcoin as a product. That means, let's say Bitcoin is a kind of electronics device that you want to buy in the market, like a TV set or whatever. Just think, I'm trying to let you understand, okay? Think like it's an electronic product, but it's very important, it's very useful to you. So you get to the market and you buy it. But while you are buying, you are able to buy that product at the rate of 50,000 naira. Then before you know it, the price of that product goes up to 70,000. Then later it goes up to 100,000. Then later it moves to 500,000. You can imagine that. Now think again. You bought it at 50,000 naira. And before you know it, the price, the value of that same product start to grow. And now as we are talking, the price is now at 500,000 naira. What is your profit if you decide to sell that product? You know the answer. It means you are going to get 450,000 naira because you bought that same product for 50,000 naira. Now that the price has gone to 500,000 naira, just do the subtraction. You are now having 450,000 naira profit because you bought Bitcoin, which is a product, when the price was 50,000 naira. Exactly, this is what we are doing here. What do we do when we talk about trading? We just buy and sell, just like in normal markets. Just like if you are a trader, you go to market, you buy provision. Let's say you are buying a provision and that provision is going for 1,000 naira. When you get back to your shop, you sell it for 1,500 or 2,000. You gain another 100% of the money if you are able to sell that at that rate. So the same thing we are doing with Bitcoin. Now, having laid down that foundation, I want you to now see this. When you come to this chart now depicts something very important to us. So you're going to get everything. So follow me closely. Now, you see this bar, this line, we call it candlestick. Candlestick. This is another candlestick, but it's green. This is another candlestick, is red. This another candlestick is green, and you can see different candlestick with different sizes, but majorly they have two colors. All right, you've understood that. Now, when you see the red candlestick, it means that the price of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is what we are trading here, the price of Bitcoin is coming down. So let me show you this big red candle. Now, when you look at it at the top here, you see where I put my mouse, that hand that is indicating, this is where the price was coming from. Okay. Now, when you come to this side, that's the right side of the screen, and you will see what the price was then before the price started to come down. The price was at 3,013,571 naira. Okay, but suddenly on this same day, the price went down as far as 777,010 naira. Okay, now it went down as far to this place. I'm on this one now. I'm on this candlestick to this place, and that price was at 1,622,440 naira. Okay, so what does this mean? This price started moving from this place and it came down. It came down and it got to this point. And then the price that moved down got to this point. It got to this point on this day. Look at the date below here. You will see the date. The date was on 12 March 20. So Bitcoin came down from about 3 million and it came down to about 1.6 million. And from there, it moved from 1.6 million and it went all the way up and got to this place where it got to 2.4 million. And again, it went down, and the next day, which was 15th March, it went up a bit. Then on the 16th, it went down. On the 17th, it went up. On 18th, it went down. On 19th, went up. And on 20, it went up and hit this line. See, there is a line that is drawn here, and it starts to move like that, as if there is a wave. It moves almost touching this line. It came down and it moved sideways, which is called consolidation. It consolidated itself and it moved up and it moved down, correcting itself, then hit this line at the bottom. Take note, this line, the first time it hit this line was at this point, and that was on 13th March. Then it moved up, hit the line at the top on 20th of March, then moved up, almost touching it, but it did not. Then it went through consolidation, came down, another consolidation through correction, come to this place, 16th of April, and it moved up and hit the line again, then moved up and came to touch this line. And it moved down and move up again to this line. So it's been working and it's been moving like a wave. But if you notice something, it moved from lower price, moved up, came down, moved down to another lower price, then move up, got to an higher price from here. From here, when it got to this place, this is about 1.6 million. Then it got to this place, this is about 2.7 million. But it moved down to this place, 2.6 million. It came down from here. So this place was higher than this place where it came to hit this trend line. But from there, it moved up again, hit this trend line again at 2.7, and it moved up and got to 3.9 million. And from there, it came down, hit this line again at 3.1 million, and went up, hit this line at 4.2 million, and it came down again. And now we are here. I'm doing this video on 16th of May, okay? This Saturday, 15th of May. Now, 16th of May, Saturday. Now, I want you to take note of something. You realize that it has been moving up, down, move up, down, move up, down. Now, you know what had happened? This is the secret of this business. When you want to trade, you will buy BTC when it is low. So, understanding how to trade makes you to come in and buy at this point when it was very low at 1.6 million. Now, when it started to move up and it got to this point, understanding how to trade will make you to sell at this point. And then you wait for it either to come to this place. You know, this place is higher. The price is 2.7 million here. And when it came down to this place, it's 2.4 million. So you are buying when it is low, then it got to this place again, which is the highest, before it moved down again. So what do? You buy here. At this point, you buy. So at this point, you buy. You buy at this point. Okay? Now, at this point, when it has gone to this place, At this point, you sell. Let me make that arrow red. So you sell here. Now, at this point, you buy again. Okay, so I'm making this one should be green. Okay, so let's pick this one to be green too. This to be green. Buy here, sell here, buy here, and then I want to also buy at this place because this place is lower. Why buy this place at this place? I'm going to sell here. Okay, now you see something. You are buying when it is low, you are selling when it is high. Buy when it is low, sell when it is high, buy when it is low. Okay, and then here I'm going to sell here. Okay, then again I'm going to buy here. All right, and I have another place. I'm going to also sell here. Okay, now you see something. I'm buying when it is low, I'm selling when it is high. I buy when it is low, I sell when it is high. And this is the procedure. Now, this line here is what we call the trend line, and this another one, the trend line. Now, inside this place, a channel is formed. A channel has been formed. This is the understanding that you have. And I'm just telling you this. You need to understand how to trade effectively. When you understand how to trade, you know how to place all these things. So now we discover that there is a channel, and we discover that this is how the Bitcoin Naira has been behaving for a while. So, and it has been going through this channel. So if I come from here, I can buy, I can sell, I can buy, I can sell, and before you know it, I will be growing my money. Now, let me even say that is if you understand trading. So there are two ways for you to make money here. Now, the first one is understanding trading, how to trade. If you know how to trade, you will buy here, you sell here. You buy here, you sell here. You buy here, you sell here. That's trading. You are moving with you are going along with the movement of the market. Now, the second method is that you buy and hold. If you buy here, you are not going to sell. Even when you see that the market is coming down, it hits this place, you just know that it's still going to rise. You leave it, then it goes here, and you let it come to this place. Now, this one as it is now, is either it goes up here, hit this place, or it comes down and hit this place, and again, it will go up. Now, if the market is going to misbehave, if it goes out of this trend line, then you know that there is problem. If the market is going to misbehave and it goes out of this channel, then maybe it moved down from this channel, then it's not obeying this channel again. Then you know that there is a risk. If care is not taken, you must take a decision to be out of the market and reposition yourself. If you don't understand, then you risk your money. Okay. Now, but if you are doing buy and hold, it also pays you. Your money will be rising, though it will be falling. But you see, even if it falls to this point, at this point now, this point is not the same as this point. So let me quickly now do something. I'm going to do some calculation for you. You're going to see some things now, and we want to see what is the profit. Let's say you have been able to buy since on the 13th March, when the market was just 13th of March, and you are still in the market till now. What is the percentage? Or let's say you are able to sell at this point. You sold when we got to 7th of May. So what will have been your profit? So I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to measure it from here now. If I'm so fortunate to buy from this place and the market grows, it grows till this particular point here. Now, That is 56 bar, 56 days. Within 56 days, your money will have grown by 156.13%. Did you see that? For 56 days, 156.13%. Now, this is this exact what I'm talking about. How many days is 66 days? That is, it remains about 4 days for us to get to 2 months. And let's even say it's 2 months. In 2 months, your asset, your money has grown by 156%. Now, imagine you have 1 million naira in this market. What it simply means is that your money will have become 1.56 million. That's 1,560,000 naira, thereabouts. Okay, that's what you should have now. If you have invested and you have put money into the market by 16th of March, and till this time, your money will have become 156.13% in 56 days. Now, if the money, if you okay, now let me do something again. Let's say you are still in the market even till today, when the price has gone down a little bit on the 16th of May. So what's still going to be your price? If you go from here to this place where we are, you will have still been able to have secure 148.82%. Now tell me, which bank will give you this percentage? Tell me, which financial instrument will give you? Will stock ever give you this? No. Okay, just think about it. Will bond ever give you this percentage in 2 months? Will treasury bill ever give you this percentage in 2 months? So this is what we are talking about, and it is very easy. If you just only need to understand what I've done here, and you keep the money, and you are happy because your money is growing. While everybody is thinking the money is going down, in 2 months you are increasing your fund. This is interesting. This is exciting. Okay, now if you understand trading, you will definitely be able to secure more profit. What happened from here? If you buy here, you grow the price to this place. That is 71%. And immediately you see that it's coming down, you sell, you secure your 75%. You now have more money. Okay? Then you now come to this place to buy again. You are buying at low here, and you grow it to this point. You make another 23% of your money. Don't forget the 71% you made before is already added to your 1 million. So like you are now having about 1.7 million. You are not using that 1.7 million everything to buy into the market again, and your 1.7 million is now giving you 22.85%. You see the accumulation of your 1.7 million. Now you now make 22% of your 1.7 million. That will be giving you something around 400,000. Along with your 1.7 million, you are now having about 2.1 million. Now, I'm doing rough calculation. Actually, I'm doing rough calculation, so I may not totally be correct. But then, you are now having about 2.1 million. Okay? And when the market is going down, you sell again. And you came down, when the market got to this place, you came in from here, and you ride up to this place. You make another 51% of the entire money of your 2.1 million. Okay, I'm still doing my rough calculation, so my money should now be around the 50% of 2.1 million should be giving me around 1.1 million, 1,500,000, right? Okay, it should be giving me 1 million, 1 million. Let's say 1 million. It's giving me 1 million, sort of. Okay, so let's say I have 1 million. Yeah. So I had 1 million to 2.1. That's going to give me 3.1 million. Okay, now I get back into the market and I ride again with this, and I move up and I gain another 33%. You see how you can multiply your Naira. And I started with just 1 million Naira, and here I have grown my money close to 4 million now, just in 60 days or thereabout, even less than 60 days, and I'm still in the market. Okay, so this is exactly what we are telling you, and this is what is possible. So when I tell you that we can trade for you, this is the same principle that we follow to trade for you. But you might look at this and feel like, wow, this is what I can do. Of course you can do it, but there are other things that we implement that makes us to know when to actually get in, when to sell. Now, because there are other things we look at, and that is why you need knowledge. If I put on some of these things, you may not understand, but they are very simple. We call them indicators. There are some indicators that will tell us that it is time to sell. Not even from this page now. The indicators we show, and we tell you that if you don't sell now, there's going to be a problem. The indicator will tell you if you don't buy now, definitely you're going to lose this opportunity. So this is exactly what we are trying to talk about. Now, with this graphic, with this chart, I know you'll be able to see that it is possible for you to increase your money. And of course, you can go ahead and do the same. Now, what did I use? I'm using the trading view chart to actually display this. So below, I'm going to put some links that will help you. You can join the trading view to use your chart. They have paid version, they have free version. When you become advanced in training, you might need to buy the paid version in order to monitor your trade very well. But I'm also going to give you a link that will let you to know and possibly join our training community. I mean, we have training, we have comprehensive training that we are giving. There is membership site, there are videos that we have done that will teach you, that will help you to make a lot of money. I'm telling you, if you know how to do this thing, you might just sit down at home. This is work already. This is work already. And it is just easy. You just need to sit down and observe this chart. And that's all. And at the end of the day, you make your money already. Channel has been created. I know when to get in. I know when to come out. Okay. So I can sit down and enjoy myself because I have this understanding. And the same thing I want you to do, I want you to learn this thing. I want you to come in, join our cryptocurrency online class, and we're going to give you quality information, quality training that's going to help you. And then we have a WhatsApp forum. Currently, we are going to be going online every week, and we have webinar, and which will help you to get better and better. And we are also having what I call a bonus, that when you come in, we will trade Naira BTC for you if you are from Nigeria, and that's what you want. We trade Naira and Bitcoin for you so that you can increase your money. So with this, you can be, you are certain that you should not just go and dump your money in the bank account and with no interest, and they are even taking a lot of different charges that you don't know from the account, from your account every time. So this is where I'm going to stop. I believe this information had helped you to understand what we mean by trading BTC with Naira, and with this you can also make the right decision to ensure that your money will not be experiencing depreciation, but it will appreciate by entering and investing into cryptocurrency. Once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you join our cryptocurrency class, and I will see you and we can work together and make money better together. God bless you.